my name is Emma, and today we're going to be learning about the goats. Today I'm joined by Macy, Maya, Paprika, and Oreo. Did you know that goats have rectangular pupils to help them see where predators are coming from? Both male and female goats can have horns. Did you know that goats are really great climbers? They use it so they can get above predators. Some goats can grow beards. The goats here at Connery are actually Nigerian dwarf goats, which is why they're a lot smaller than your normal goat. Goats also enjoy eating your clothes when they get the chance.